In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to connect your Epson L8058 printer to a mobile phone using Wi-Fi Direct quickly and easily.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Wi-Fi Direct allows you to connect your mobile phone directly to the Epson L8058 printer without using a router or internet connection. First, make sure Wi-Fi Direct is enabled. If it is turned off, press and hold the network and Wi-Fi buttons together for about 10 seconds until Wi-Fi Direct turns on. Now Wi-Fi Direct is enabled. Next, you need to find its Wi-Fi name and password. To do this, simply press and hold the network button for about 5 seconds, and the printer will print the network information page. On this printed page, you can easily find your Wi-Fi Direct name and password. Just look for the Wi-Fi Direct section. Now go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and enter the password to connect to the printer's Wi-Fi Direct network. The process is very simple. Also, make sure your VPN is turned off on your phone. Now you can easily print your files directly from your gallery or file manager. However, for better printing speed, more professional settings, and a smoother experience like a computer, I recommend using the Epson iPrint app. It is one of the best apps for Epson printers and also gives you useful options like scanning and printhead cleaning. Also, you can easily download this app from the Device Doctor Telegram channel, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store. All download links are available in the video description. That is all for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you connect your Epson L8058 printer to your mobile phone using Wi-Fi Direct easily and successfully. As you saw, the process is very simple and does not require a router or internet connection. With this feature, you can quickly print photos and documents directly from your phone anytime you want. Also, if you want better control, faster printing performance, and more professional options, do not forget to try the Epson iPrint application. It gives you many useful features such as scanning, printhead cleaning, maintenance options, and easier printing management directly from your mobile phone. If this video was helpful for you, please support Device Doctor by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss future printer tutorials, repair guides, and technology videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.